In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable call screening on iPhone iOS 26, plus a few extra tips to block spam calls. First, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, head over to the option Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS 26. Once your iOS is up to date, go back to Main Settings screen and scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you're going to find the option Apps. Click on that. Now search for the app phone. After it appears, launch it. Here you're going to find several options. You'll also find the new features, screen unknown callers. Under that, you're going to find few options such as never, ask reason for calling, and silence. If you set it to never, won't do anything. If you set it to ask reason for calling, when an unknown number calls, an automated AI voice asks, "Why are you calling this person?" You'll see the response before deciding to pick up. If you set it to silence, just blocks unknown callers automatically. If you want extra protection from spam calls, go to call filtering, make sure spam is turned on. You can also enable SMS and call reporting if that option is available, and that's it. Your iPhone is now smarter about handling unknown and spam calls. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.